Hello, Ruth.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. So, today's topic education. Girls education and boys education. So, tell me about it.
Education. Education is the most important. Education holds the most important thing in our life. If we are not educated, we can't do anything in our life. Accordingly, we can make any only a labor, and if we have a place to do agriculture, then we make a farmer. After that, we can't do anything without education. So, according to you, what is education?
Education is the most important in everything, everyone's life. So, who are not educated, then he do nothing. He he is only a labor, and he he will go anywhere. Then we don't live there, because anywhere nowadays, anywhere going on, anywhere every people is educated.
Yeah.
So now you tell me about boys education. Means past time.
In past time, only boys are educated because mostly people think in past time mostly people think that if girls educated, then what they do, they then we marriage sorry his father her father married her, and then he go her laws home, and they do work in the kitchen. So, and if we educate our son, then he will be handle our business, and he will be handle our business. Now you tell me about girls education.
You also know girls past time in her parents don't want to that girls are go and study, because he thought that
It is in present time.
not past time, because he thought that he see she does only kitchen work, and so they don't teach girls and don't go anywhere, and in past time no girl who is who is who who has any government job. So nowadays many girls, mostly girls, do government job and anywhere. you saw that.
I saw that there are reserved seats for girls.
So nowadays girls are go anywhere and do everything according her mind.
Now you tell me whose education is you want to educate boys or girls in our nation? Means girls you want that girls are educated or not?
I want both are educated because
But whose education is most important?
both education is most important
How can it be possible?
because who will intelligent and who do everything like girl and boys. Now your turn.
I think that boys education
Why?
because according to population many mostly boys are in the government job. If they are not educated, they do they they, they make a farmer or a labor. Then it is a shortage of they make a labor and they do not do anything. They do not do anything. And the shortage of work.
You mean that all education is most?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you said if boys are not educated, they work in the fields,
Yeah.
and the boys and the girls are not educated, then what she said to his sons and daughters.
She tells her daughter. What do you want to say?
I mean to say, if a mother is not educated, then what she said to his sons and daughters. Tell me what.
If mother is not educated, then the father will be educated. Not really.
I think because if man is educated,
I said that both the education are important, but girls education is most important.
think, listen me. If boys are educated,
Yeah.
he work hard and go in the outside from work, and the lady is in the home.
Yeah.
The every education is on depend on lady.
Yeah.
You understand my words?
Yeah.
So then if she not educated, then what she
She will love it.
you mean lady means women are made on only kitchen works.
No, they made many words.
Tell me.
Just some girls are good very well and they do on labor work for their child. If 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 their husband is died, then she do a labor work or she make a farm.
I think what are important
Yeah, both are important.
equality, not boys most.
Or why all are not most?
Repeat.
You said that all education are not most important.
I don't say.
If all the boys are not educated, then there is a shortage of government workers. Then what do you do?
I have an answer for you. Because our religion.
Nowadays, you know that there are mostly boys in population and girls are. You know it very well.
Yeah, I don't say that because means boys education is not important. Because I ever had them. Because our religion books has said that give us good mothers. Good mothers, we will have a good civilization. Give us good women, we will have a good nation. So are you
What do
agree?
you want to say? I can't understand. Please.
Our religious
Yeah.
Our religious book has said, give us good women, we will have a great civilization. We give us good mothers, we will have a great nation. You mean that our religious book are wrong?
It is right, but if you want to say, you can ask her.
Ask me. Ask me.
Tell me about more education and girl education.
I just said what are important because I think education is that this learns us a lot of which we live our lives and understand everything better. So I think what are important. Tell me about your opinion about it.
I think both are important because boy and girl are not educated and they do not understand in anything and they do not job. That's all.
I think education is not for the jobs. Education is not for the jobs. It learns us how is better for our life and
You said that education is not for job. So why are you studying? If you not want a job,
yeah, I don't study for a job. I learn.
you know that very well. If you have no money, then you can do any work. So why are you saying that we can't be studying for a job?
I mean to say I am reading for my
You reading for
understand.
knowledge.
Yeah, I am reading for knowledge, not a job.
So you,
If I have knowledge, I can get a job. If I have not,
you said that you do not study for a job.
I study
Yeah.
for is senseless, means sensible.
Yeah.
Because you think
Yeah.
a person not educated,
Yeah.
he can do
We can
work in the field.
Yeah.
Because I think you are because I have an example.
Yeah.
Many people are not intelligent and education. Otherwise, means still they are a rich person that Ambani and Keketas and
You want to say that Ambani is not Ambani is arrested?
not mean to say because it's because Dhirubhai Ambani is not educated but not a lot of educated, and many cricketers are not educated. What you want to see?
You said that Dhirubhai Ambani is not educated. So you have known it very well. They the keeping and sell. They keeping a coin and they made many coins. They made many coins and they make a blade. It is expensive to a coin. You know it very well.
Repeat. I don't understand.
Yeah.
You know it very well that you said that Dhirubhai Ambani is not educated. So you know it very well that they they collect the 5 rupee coin and melt them, and then they made the blades and sell them. A 5 rupee coins contains approx 4 blades in past time.
What do you want to tell?
Ask me other.
Tell me about the condition of girls in past time.
I think the education of girls in past time are not good.
Why?
Because you also know, because that time they have no freedom to go anywhere and do anything because our house, because our members are not wanting. I want to say, because in past time, girls have no freedom to go anywhere and do anything because her members of house don't want. Why? I don't know because I'm new more in this project.
Read your words.
I want to say they have no freedom for to do anything and go anywhere because their members are not don't want. What's your opinion? Tell me. What's your opinion? Tell me.
In past time, people they can't send the girls to study and send outside of house and they
You are right, but past time boys are intelligent, you know.
Okay.
But in past time, girls are also girls are not all girls are. I mean,
I have a doubt. You mean that past time boys are intelligent?
but
Are you agree? Are you agree?
yeah,
I have a doubt because past time because past time girls have no opportunity to do. So how can you say that boys are intelligent because they girls have no opportunity?
Let's be an example.
Now you ask me. I forget it.
What's most important because I don't.
You know that very well. That thus do not focus on education.
Why? How you can say? Because they don't have a chance to do.
But in past time, some girls have a lot of chance, and they do everything, but he don't want to do anything. Means she don't.
I think they are helpless. Exactly.
So you can do help the girls. You said that girls are helpless. So you want to do the help of girls.
I don't have too many girls, they are boys. Because
I know you have no any girls or boys because you are too married.
it doesn't matter that I'm married when they are. No.
You said that
Because
can you not please?
what you want to say.
Take number 2 Lavish. You asked to me something about education.
Your opinion toward girl education and women education.
What do you want to see?
Ask me, I don't know. I want to know your opinions. What's your opinion? Education.
Who's education?
What?
Past time and present time.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Both
Please tell me differences between past time education and present time education.
Past time education is not good because that time they
You
are.
want to say that Gurukul is not good.
I don't say.
You say that education is not good. So Gurukul is not good.
I don't say that Gurukul is not good.
Why are you saying that the education of past time is not good?
I need to say, first listen,
Yeah.
that past time education is not good. A lot of, because this time have a lot of facility than as compared to that time.
Yeah.
So I think that this time education is ahead Tell me.
What I did.
And what it was.
I have no information. You tell. You ask me.
What's your opinion? What's education is best?
Both education are good, but present time education is good. Yeah. Because there are a lot of facilities and there are given too many opportunities to girls. To girls. So I think that it's present time education. And if we talk about past time, then we think we know that past time education in past time education girls have no opportunity to study. They people think that they made only for kitchen work.
I agree with your thoughts.
Take a mic to relax. What do you want to ask?
Education is very well and ex- ask me education.
I say you please ask me a question.
Past time and present time education is
You want the difference between the past time education and present time.
past time education is so very not good and
Yeah.
present time is so very good education and government school and
Yeah.
education and very good education. Because
Now tell me whose school education is good according to you, government or private?
government school.
Why?
The government school, government teacher is very intelligent
Yeah.
and past time teachers so very good and not they pass the class testing.
I am agree with you. So take the mic to it and the this. This what do you want to ask to me? Ask me please. I have no question. Yeah.
Just tell me about the difference between past time education and present time education.
I have a question. And yes,
Please tell one question.
because I said, I have a question. I think that in now present time, people things they don't want to send their daughters to school.
Past time.
Present time, many people.
Yeah. Only few people.
Yeah. So tell me the few people about the few people.
Those people do not send our girls to outside, though they lives in the past nation. These things are compared with past time people things they are mentioned
I think
because they are not educated, so they cannot think that the girls are hate than boys. That's all.
you think that their mentality is past. So they are not educated, so they don't understand the importance of women.
Yes. Ask me question.
You ask me this. I have an example on that question. Who asked to Ritik? A house too near my house. They have 3 daughters. Then we thought that if I if I teach if I teach their means my daughter went to coaching and in school also. So there's money. They thought that their money only spent without any reason because daughter only do in kitchen work. So they don't teach them her. So now you are recording. They are right and wrong.
I want to tell you the importance of women. I will example. I have an example of Richard Abraham. Richard Abraham. Richard Abraham is a scientist. In the age of 22, he discovered an event that how one cells work. So his mother always encouraged him and what Richard Abraham need his mother bought for him a lot of things. First, he became a great scientist. Yeah. You also know the name of Abraham Lincoln is John, the President of America. He said that I am there and what my mother made me. So such is the importance of women. Your opinion in this right?
This is right.
We have more.
Good. Great discussion. What do you can be future development?
Ask me. Who said? Tell me.
Which opportunity the girls get in present time? Tell me.
I think this time, lot of opportunity
Which type of opportunity?
there in girls. Because now this time, people's thinking has changed. They send his daughters anywhere. Because this time, the law of government is strict. So, a lot of opportunity have girls.
And the girls is self-defense.
Yeah. I think this time girls are self-defense because this time they reach better than boys. I think.
This is not the answer of my question. I ask you which opportunity get the girls in present time.
Listen, this time parents have given a lot of opportunity to their daughters. Do not worry about daughters because this time every people is educated almost. So tell me,
That's my question.
tell me about it, what you asked me. Opportunity of this time for girls.
The girls opportunity in the present time is they started the many types of girls on the like that the prime ministers and president and the leader and like that many types of engineers and many types of and many types of officer in this time. So this is the quantity the bus in the present time.
The most important thing that has given to the girls is freedom. Freedom because this time law is very strict for girls.
Yes.
So I think government is right. Because last time the situation of girls are not good. So
We said that the government's law is very strict. Because you know it, in the past time the government law is not strict.
okay, yeah,
To girls.
I think
Why?
because I think that there are not a lot of opportunities that can government law is not so still that can was not a good leader.
But there is no government. There is a
What do you want to ask?
you mean that I mean that in the past time there is no government. There is the
I can understand. Please speak.
I mean that there is